Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by power cycling the console and confirming the controller has fresh or fully charged batteries, because low power often causes drops. Once done, unplug the Xbox for 10 seconds and plug it back to clear temporary radio issues. Make sure you stand within 3 to 5 meters with no large metal objects between you and the console. Now attempt a quick repair. Press the console bind button, then the controller bind until the light blinks. If it pairs, test gameplay for stability. Next, update both the console and controller firmware to fix known Bluetooth or wireless bugs, because outdated firmware can break connections. While updating, reduce radio interference. Turn off or move to 4 GHz devices like headsets, wireless keyboards, and unshielded routers away. Make sure the router isn't overloaded with streams. If the problem persists, plug the controller into the Xbox with a USB cable to isolate whether the wireless radio is failing. If USB is solid, the issue is likely wireless interference or the controller radio. For stubborn disconnects, perform advanced resets and isolation tests. Factory reset or repair the controller after a soft console reset to clear corrupted profiles, and then try a different controller or a different Xbox to pinpoint whether the controller or console is faulty. If the controller disconnects only on one console, consider a console reset. If it happens on multiple consoles, seek repair or a warranty replacement. Troubleshooting tip: if reconnects are intermittent, swap batteries or use a known good USB cable before assuming permanent hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.